All right, ladies and gentlemen, lesson 45 is on translating between words and inequalities. So you're going to be taking words and make them into expressions or inequalities, and you're going to take inequalities and be putting them into words. All right, the quotient of an unknown number and -2 is greater than the opposite of 9. So we see quotient and we see greater than. So our operation is going to be division, and our sign is greater than. Okay, so the quotient of an unknown number, so we're going to call that x, and -2, so that's our division, is greater than the opposite of 9. So opposite means it changes the sign. 0 is less than or equal to the difference of twice a number and 8. So our operation is going to be subtraction, and our sign is less than or equal to. Okay, so 0 is less than or equal to the difference of twice a number. Twice means it's going to be 2 times n or x and 8. All right, the sum of half a number and 3 does not equal 15. So our operation, sum means addition, and then our sign is does not equal. So that's also included in inequalities. A lot of people forget about that one. So go ahead and put this one together. The sum of half a number, so something divided by 2 is going to give you half, and 3, so you're going to add 3, and does not equal 15. All right, the product of 11 and a number is less than 121. So our operation is product, so multiply, and our sign is less than 121. Okay, go ahead and put that together. All right, so now we're going to take it and put it the other way. We're going to put it into words. Okay, so it says 12b is greater than or equal to -8. Okay, so you could say the product of 12 and b, 12 times b, 12 multiplied by b. Then you're going to say the is greater than or equal to, and then you can say -8 or the opposite of 8. Okay, next one. 1.5x plus 2.5 is less than 11.5. Okay, so here, the big operation you're looking at, you want to talk about there. So we would say something like the sum of 1.5 times x and 2.5 is less than 11.5. Okay, the sum of the product of 1.5 and a number, or x, in 2.5 is less than 11.5. G, 9 is greater than 1/3 x minus 8. Okay, so you could say something along the lines of 9 is greater than the difference, because that's our or our subtraction, of 1/3 of a number and 8. You could say something about 9 is greater than 8 less than 1/3 x. Okay, h. So you have a over 7 is less than or equal to 8. So you could say the quotient of a and 7 is less than or equal to 8. You could say a number divided by 7 is at most 8. All right, the lowest temperature at which a piece of beef can be cooked rare is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The formula used to convert degrees centigrade to degrees Fahrenheit is given as follows. Write an inequality reading in degrees centigrade for a piece of beef cooked rare. Okay, so this is given to you in Fahrenheit, so it goes in there. So 9/5 C plus 32, 140. Okay, and it says can be cooked rare. So that's the lowest temperature. So if that's the lowest temperature, 140 is the lowest, that means that what it gets cooked to has to be greater than or equal to the 140. There you go, ladies and gentlemen.